Hey guys, welcome to a new channel. In this video we have this iPhone 11 Pro Max and I'm gonna show you how you can reset your Face ID on your any iPhone without having any issues. So guys, here we go. There you can see we have the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So simply tap on settings and find the Face ID and passcode. Sorry, not in general. Go back to Face ID and passcode and simply enter the passcode of your device, and guys, there you can see the reset Face ID option. Simply tap on it and that's it. Now the Face ID is successfully has been reset. So now you won't need Face ID to unlock your phone. So guys, that's how you can remove the Face ID on your iPhone 11 Pro Max. That's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up.